Welcome to How to Solve.
In today's video, I will teach you how to fix ChatGPT too many requests in 1 hour. So you might have been using ChatGPT for quite some time and you stumbled upon this too many requests in 1 hour. Try again later. So what are the ways for you to solve this and find solution for you to be able to work again with ChatGPT in less than an hour, or you can try again much earlier than what is said to be later. I will introduce you two ways to solve this problem. First is to make sure that you give a gap between requesting a new chat 5 minutes. So you should let ChatGPT rest 5 minutes after making or sending a new message or creating a new chat. That is the first solution. The second one is the most obvious one, which is to make a new account. So to make a new account, click these three dots on the lower left corner of your screen and log out. So to have or to make another ChatGPT account, you must have another email. It could be a temporary one or a Google account that you no longer used. So once you already have this new account in ChatGPT, then that simply solves the problem. And of course, you have to verify it first. So that's just it.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.